Hello, today I'm going to show you how to lift up your car at the front side with a car jack Mercedes-Benz C180 Coupe. First, stop the vehicle on solid, non-slippery and level ground. Now, sit down and apply the parking brake. Move the front wheels to the straight ahead position. Take care, vehicles with manual transmission, depress the clutch pedal fully and engage first or reverse gear. In this case, it's an automatic transmission. Move the selector lever to P and use the handbrake by pulling the switch on the left side, as you can see. Now is your car locked and prevent. Good job. Let's start. Outside. Now let's go to the backside wheels. Use a supporting wedge to lock the wheels and prevent the car from rolling away. The jacking point are located just behind the front wheels arches. Have a look over there. It is a massive part. And there you are able to use your car jack. Take a look where it is. That's really important because of preventing your car of damage. So let's start. Use your car jack with a rubber on top for safety. Then you are able to pump it up on this place. Now lift the car up. Good job. Yeah, by pumping it up until your front tires are in the air. About 2 centimeters. That's good, like this. If your car is lifted up enough, you are able to go at your service tasks as you like, to check something, to replace something or other things. Nice and easy, as you can see, but safety first. Let's bring back the car on the earth again. For this, release the valve of your car jack, then let the car down on earth again and extract your car jack. Good job. Yeah, it's on the ground again. One thing is left. Extract all supporting wedges and jobs done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.